When storms hit the area, you may need residential roof repair in White Settlement, Texas. However, you aren't going to know you need it unless you have your roof inspected by a roof contractor in Tarrant County. But why should you consider an inspection rather than hoping for the best? Look at roof inspections as the best way to maintain your roof. Storms can cause a wide variety of damages to a roof, some minor and others major. By catching these issues before they become significant, you'll save yourself money. After all, paying for residential roof repairs is always cheaper than a full replacement. Plus, by having a roofing contractor check out your roof after a storm, you ensure you get the full life out of your roof, once again saving you money in the long run. In addition, roof inspections after a storm can help ease your worry, so you're no longer worrying about the many what-if situations, or waiting for leaks to start forming inside your home. For those who are looking for White Settlement, Texas residential roof repair, First Texas Roofing is here for you. Call us today for a free quote.